This is Thursday Reading Week 11 quiz. Number 1, read paragraph 1, page 268 in Animal Mimics. Which one of these is an example from the paragraph of cause and effect used by the author? Animals need to keep safe, so some animals have adapted features for protection. The kids were playing in the backyard while the dogs were chasing a squirrel. Animals all need to have shelter, food, and water to survive. The sun was shining as the clouds were floating by. Number 2, according to how the author uses the word mimicry, what does the word mimicry mean? The act of catching prey, the way a small child sounds when crying, the ability to look or act like something else, the way some animals sleep in the jungle. Number 3, what is the effect when animals use Bayesian mimicry to copy or look like another dangerous animal? Because animals like to annoy each other, the animal will be able to run as fast as a cheetah. The animal will be able to climb under a protective covering. The animal copies a dangerous animal, so predators will leave them alone. Number 4, what does the poison dart frog use to warn predators of their toxic and poisonous skin? Bright colors on their skin, many warning flags, a loud noise that might scare the predator, a bright light that flashes at the predator. Number 5, choose one of these facts that the author provides on page 279 under the heading Crazy Copycat Facts. A bat can eat 1 million mosquitoes every night. Mimicry only happens with insects. Hoverflies look like honeybees and can even make a bee buzz sound. We have koala bears at the zoo. Number 6, why do some animals have eye spots on their bodies? The better to see with, my dear. In order to confuse predators when approaching so the animal has time to escape. The need to have extra vision at night so they can fly in the dark. The colors are beautiful on butterflies' wings. 7, what is a habitat? A place where many horses gather at the ranch. A place that will help keep you grow many vegetables. A place where living things live and grow. The place where I stop every day to pick out a snack. 8, why is mimicry so important for animals to be able to survive? Helps an animal live longer in their habitat. Being able to change when the environment changes. Animals must adapt to survive, or all of the above. Number 9, on page 284, what is an important effect of body part mimicry? To be able to have extra legs for climbing skills. This helps animals draw predators' attention away from the important body parts. To make sure they are visible for all predators to see. To blend in with their surroundings better. 10, using the glossary on page 287, what word means having started in and coming naturally from a certain place? Dangerous, toxin, prey, or indigenous?